BMW has revealed the Vision BMW Alpina, a one-off concept car that previews the future of the Alpina brand under BMW Group ownership. Designed as a modern interpretation of Alpina's traditional blend of speed, comfort, and understated luxury, the concept signals a new direction for the marque while preserving its grand touring identity. The Vision BMW Alpina measures 5.2 meters in length and features a low, flowing coupé silhouette designed to comfortably seat 4 passengers. Power comes from a V8 engine tuned to deliver the deep and refined exhaust note long associated with Alpina models. The exterior introduces a modernized shark nose front end, slim lighting signatures, subtle deco-line graphics beneath the paint, and signature 20-spoke wheels measuring 22 inches at the front and 23 inches at the rear. Inside, the cabin combines full-grain leather, crystal detailing, and BMW's latest panoramic iDrive technology with Alpina-specific graphics and displays. The interior also includes illuminated crystal glasses integrated into the rear center console, emphasizing the concept's focus on luxury touring. The concept retains Alpina's signature Comfort Plus mode for refined high-speed driving while introducing a more modern digital driving experience. BMW also confirmed that the first production BMW Alpina model under the new ownership structure will arrive next year, based on the BMW 7 Series platform. Guys, what do you think about the new Alpina? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.